Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for coming, and make sure you subscribe and turn that bell notification on so you can know when I post. And if you're old, thank you for coming back. Today we have this 613 white girl, Bussdown. And she has brown roots. So let's get into it. So at first I thought the wig was gonna be like too small for my head because I got a big head. Oh, and this is a 13x6. And she is 32 inches. You see, when I thought it was going to be too little, that's when I thought it was going to be too little. So, I took my wax stick. That's something you should not do right there. I put too much wax on my wig. And, don't do that. Don't do that right there. Because your wig can get greasy. And you don't want that. So, I took my wax stick and I slicked my hair down. Well, not slick it down, I slicked it back because we need all the hair off the lace so we can see what we're doing, so we can cut it. So, yeah, then I took my hot comb and I pushed all the hair back. And this right here is truly optional. I just do it because I got some long sideburns and they just be in the way when I install the wig, and I just cut them. So if you don't cut your sideburns, don't say nothing about it. It's just something I do. It's my hair, so I can do it, okay? So I don't want to hear nothing about it in the comments. Why you cut your sideburns? You need your sideburns. No, you do not need your sideburns at all, okay? So then I took my scissors and I cut my laces in 3 parts because it's easier for me to do that. Then I took my glue and I dotted around in front of my hair. I did not put it in my hair, okay? Alright, I just want y'all to know that I did not put it in my hair. And I took the end of my razor. I did not take the part that I cut my hair with. I took the end of it and I spreaded the glue evenly. And then I let it dry clear. And then I added another layer. And I did the same thing. Okay, so after that layer of glue dried, I took anything I seen and like pressed down into my wig. No, pressed down my wig into my forehead. You know what I'm saying. I can't explain it right. Yeah, you see it. To be honest, I don't even know why I'm explaining this to y'all because I got a million wig tutorials on my page. So, you really want a wig tutorial, go look at some of my other videos. I'm gonna just be quiet for the rest of this video. Or not. I don't know. Just watch the video, okay?
Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these better niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, true, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm